Don't you guys love massive hoods? Because I know that I do. Hey guys, KEYO is back! We're going to be doing a little bit of a different type of video style type thing coming up, but today we have what you guys really enjoy, NoMakeNoLife. This video is brought to you by NoMakeNoLife. They were super sweetlicious and decided to send me a free box. Now, as you guys know, I've made a few videos of their stuff in the past and I love it. It is Korean, Japanese skincare and makeup, and I love it. I'm in love. Like, speechless. So let's jump right in and get started with this box, shall we? So obviously when you open the box, you have that lovely little hashtag NoMakeNoLife. So when you open the box, there are a bunch of goodies, as you guys know. And first and foremost, the book with this month's theme. This is the August box, Ready, Set, Glow. If you guys have not seen the past videos, this goes over like a lot of the contents that are, well, I shouldn't say a lot, all of the contents that are in the box and little descriptions about each one. I have already taken a look at the book and I'm really excited. It even has a how-to for one of the products, along with mini contests, little horoscope type things. Upon further opening of the box, we see a bunch of little things. Now, I took a look a little bit at some of these just out of like pure curiosity. This was one of the things that really caught my eye, and it is by my favorite company, Etude House, which I love their products. I love like everything about them. If I could, Etude House, if you're watching this, I would love to work with you. Of course, I get stoked every time that there's a product that I get from them. Now what this is a little cheekers thing, so we're just going to remove the little plastic doodad. We do have this super cute little puff. It's so cute. And then you have the blush. Now there are two different type of blushers that you could get in the kit. But it's super cute, super. That was a lot. But anyway, I'm really happy about this. This is the Lovely Cookie Blusher. Amazing. Clearly the color payoff is awesome. Jumping into the next product, we have, this is a multi-gloss by Daydream Unicorn. It looks really pretty. Look how pretty. It's a lip and an eye gloss. With the swatch, look at how gorgeous that is. I'm definitely gonna have to wear that and try it out on my eyes, because like maybe in the inner corner. And it does like kind of mattify down into just shimmer. So it's not gonna be like really tacky or anything. Next up, so I have noted, this is stupid cute, but we have this cute little guy from Tony Moly. So this is by Tony Moly, and it is this stupid cute little bunny. Oh my god, look at him, look at him. But this is a gloss. Oop, and it is a roll-up. Oh, that is awesome. I love stuff like this. So if we just go ahead and ooh, that is awesome. So it's like a nice nudie, orangey, slightly rosy color. And one reason why I love Korean and Japanese products is because they're so adorable. So next in the box, you guys are not gonna love this, or maybe you will. Snail Essential Cream by Snail Essential Cream. It is exactly what it sounds like, and I'm interested in trying this. This is actually snail secretion. The snail secretion filtrate will provide nutrients and elasticity to your skin. So essentially, you would go ahead and put this on, and then I'm assuming like put your like moisturizer over top of it. It operates like, you know, the No. 7 boosting serum. You would put this on as a serum on like the fine lines and stuff, and then you would put your moisturizer over top of that. Using this instead of this probably would, they do the same thing. No snail was harmed getting their goop. All the vegan ears out there, do not at me. The next two things in the box are what I'm really interested in doing these because they are masks, okay? You have a moist lip mask, which just looks so cute. And obviously, since I'm always wearing lipsticks and stuff, my lips get a little dry. But this is a mint chocolate lip mask, and you would just put it on your lips like that. This is cute, by the way. But yeah, it goes into step 1, step 2, step 3. But this has collagen and hyaluronic acid in it. So it is definitely a restorative thing for your lips. And the other one, which I'm pretty stoked about, this is a dessert mask. This is, again, a Choco Mint mask. It goes into, again, how to use it. Like you wash your face, you put this on, you pat the extra goop into your skin. I'm really excited. You have no idea. Moving right along, we have the next product, which is cream. This is a face wash, which, again, really excited to use it because I just threw out some face wash. This is a honey skincare face wash with natural fragrance. I'm not personally a huge fan of honey, but I love face wash, so it says enriched with natural honey, gently cleanses while hydrating your skin, which is definitely a good thing because my skin needs hydration. Keeps skin's natural moisture balance, leaves skin naturally soft and smooth. Really happy. And then last but not least, this was one of the things that I actually opened up the book to see what it was. This is a whipped cream face wash. It is an entire thing. Like when I was shaking the box, I was like, what is breakable in here? This has like fill lines. So what you would do is put the contents of the little pack in here up to the first fill line, and then you fill with water to the second fill line, and then you would essentially just like whip it. And it's supposed to create like a whipped face wash looking like this. And it's supposed to be like this whole whipped thing. It's a foaming tool plus cleansing powder set. Bubble and foaming cleansers are the hype in Japan. The set comes with 2 packages of skin enzyme cleaning powder that you can use with the foaming tool. So there are 2. Did you ever use up your cleaning powder? Why don't you try the foam tool with the DV face cleanser that also comes in your August box? So you could use this as well. And it says lather facial cleanser or body soap in only 20 seconds. I love the NoMakeNoLife box. I randomly found it online, decided to sign up. I know that there have been a few people contact me, you know, in the past kind of having negative experiences with them, but I have never had a negative experience. And I do want to give a huge shout out to NoMakeNoLife for sending me this box free. I love it. I try my best to promote it everywhere, and like I've never had a negative time with it. Plus you get to experience all of these nice, cool, like new things. And they know that, you know, every time that I get a box, I have to try like the products right away. It always like aggravates me when I get a box and I can't film anything the night that I get it because like I want to try all the products. Not to mention that they sent me a free box, but they also gave me an affiliate code that you guys can go and claim your own box. Obviously August is over, but they are now setting up for the September box. And like I said, I love this brand. I've never had any issue, and I'm a huge skincare fanatic when it comes to Korean and Japanese skincare. Massive, massive shout out to NoMakeNoLife. I really appreciate the box. I really appreciate you sending me the box for free, and I really appreciate the affiliate link. And hopefully you guys will love this video and love your boxes when you get them. I have nothing but good things to say. With that being said, that is all for the video, and I hope that you guys like these products in the August box. If you have a NoMakeNoLife box, definitely start up a convo with me in the comments, because, you know, I want to see what your experiences are with them and how you've used the products, or, you know, which products you love. And as always, all the links will be down in the description for you guys to check out. Now, they do offer a rewards program that for every certain amount of boxes that you get discounts. Or like, say if you get 3 and you put in the codes for all 3, you can get like 10% off of so-and-so, or you do get points that you can transfer into the Japan haul site, and you can redeem stuff with your points. Like I said, any comments, questions, concerns, feel free to write those in the comment section below, and all of the information within this video will be in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because there are going to be videos coming up. I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!